We're gonna start with 2 eggs in our Doritos bag. Next, we're gonna add a little bit of milk. There we go, not too much. Next, we're gonna close the top of our bag and lay it down flat. And using a rolling pin, we're gonna beat this down. Pick that up and give it a nice shake. Make sure everything's coated all together. Okay, we're gonna set that aside and grab some chicken breast. I have some boneless, skinless chicken. We're gonna cut that this way. I'm gonna make them into smaller pieces. I'm using a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, and now we're gonna give these a flip. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Get all that in there. Next, we're gonna take our chicken and place it into some flour. Make sure the whole thing's covered, just like that. Pick that up and lay it on our cutting board. I'm gonna grab a chicken strip. All right, and very gently, I'm gonna place it in our bag. Give it a good shake. Flip it around. All right, so do that for about 30 seconds. I can't even find it. Hold on, I literally can't find it. Oh, hold on, I found it.
What?
Wow! Amazing. I'm just gonna add some vegetable oil here. All right, let's pick up our chicken nice and gently. Lay that in there. Hear that sizzle. Nice and gentle, don't burn your fingers. Give that a flip. Nice golden color there. Drain the excess. Do that right there. There we go. Time for the taste test. That is so good.